it's Arun here and Amar is off limits.
I'm right over here.
Okay. Today I'm going to be your maths teacher. Let's call me Mr. Arun, okay? If you please. Okay. So today I'm going to be teaching you mathematics with subtraction. Subtraction. Rule number 1. The bigger number always goes on top. That's rule number 1. Wait, oh, gotta put a P here. There you go. Rule number 2. So rule number 2 is that's the opposite of rule number 1. The smaller number goes at the bottom. And rule 3. Guys, you're going to love this rule. So let's imagine this example. 90 minus 13, right? So let's go like this. 90 minus 13. Right? So can 0 minus 3? No. So we'll call this 0 here, Mr. 0, right? And Mr. 0 said now he wants to get bigger and tougher. So he went by his other neighbor, Mr. 9, alright? So he says to Mr. 9, excuse me, Mr. 9, I could borrow one from you so I can get bigger and stronger. Mr. 9 says, sure, why not? So we're borrowing one from Mr. 9. So Mr. 9 now turns into Mr. 8. And Mr. 0 now, he wish come true. He turns into Mr. 10. And now can 10 minus 3? Yes, 7. And 8 minus 1 is 7. So your answer will be 77. Okay? See how the 0 got bigger and the 9 got less? That's how we minus and we borrow. So imagine that in your head, a fun way, right? It's a little tip. And guys, you know some keywords about subtraction? It's easy, but you should remember it carefully. So one of the keywords is, well, the obvious one is subtraction, subtract, another obvious one, take away, another obvious one, minus, difference, less than, more than, sorry, and what else? Fewer, not, and so on. So guys, that is how we do subtraction. Remember rule number 3, okay? Because you're going to need this when you move on with mathematics, okay? Remember rule number 3. And then picture it as another number you may have, okay? But if it's something else, like say if this one is 14 minus 13, the answer would be something else, right? Because the 4 you're going to borrow from the 1, right? Good. That's the whole subtraction.
Could you just do that same example you just said with 14 minus 13 so they can see that?
Okay, I will.
Right there. You can write it right on the side of that.
This here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So tens and ones.
Mm-hmm.
So tens and ones there. So 14 minus 13. Right? So 14. So 4, right? He have no neighbors now. He lonely. So he now. So Mr. 4 now. He just chilling in his own house. Chilling. And he's stronger. Very strong. So he don't need he's saying to himself, I'm strong already. I need to get no more stronger. But now he come up and meet Mr. 3 now. So he say, Mr. 4 say now, I am bigger and I'm stronger than you. Mr. 3 say, okay, just leave me alone. Now Mr. 4 big, but let's see what will happen. So Mr. 1, the same. Yeah. And yeah. So guys, can 4 minus 3? What is the answer? Yes, it can. And 4 minus 3 is 1. Very good. And 1 minus 1 is just 0. Anything minus itself is 0. So the answer will just be 1. That is the answer for 14 minus 13. That is your answer. You see guys, this is all about subtraction. All of this. Okay guys, so remember this. And remember rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3. And don't forget your keywords. Bye.